Dear student, class 10, English version, welcome to our online class Greenfield School and College. Today I will solve objective model test question 2020. Few days ago you took exam and I already check your copy, and today I solve of your question. First question, you look, who opposed the proposal to make Sure Urdu as official language given by Muslim League leader Muhammad Ali Jinnah in 1937? The answer will be Shere Bangla A.K. Fazlul Haq. Because even before the creation of Pakistan, the debate arose on the issue of its official language, as Muhammad Ali Jinnah proposed Urdu as the official language of the Muslim League in 1937, and Shere Bangla A.K. Fazlul Haq, leader of Kishak Shramik League, protest against it. And second question, how long did the war, which started on 6 September in 1965 between India and Pakistan, last? You know, India and Pakistan started a war on 6 September 1965. These were called Indo-Pak War, and this time the question is here, how long did the war? The answer will be 17 days. Indo-Pak War broke out on 6 September 1965 and continued for 17 days. The East Pakistan was totally unprotected. The government did not think of the safety of the people of this part, and though Pakistan was defeated in the war, and the ruling quarter of West Pakistan continued their anti-Indian campaign. Number 3. By basic democracy, Ayub Khan arranged to elect. The answer will be President and member of National Assembly. Number 4. In which year did Ayub Khan impose martial law? The answer will be Ayub Khan imposed martial law in 1958. And because President Iskandar Mirza was ousted from power in a military coup on 27 October 1958 and was forced to leave the country, General Ayub Khan, after assuming office as the President of Pakistan, took he decided impose martial law in 1958. In which year was Bengali language included in Constitution of Pakistan? At first Bengali language, the language movement, which was primary step to develop the Bengali nationalism, and at last 1956 the Pakistani constitution included Bengali language. What were the important points, 21 point demands of the Yukta Front? The answer will be, look, Three answer. First one, feudal system will be abolished without giving any compensation. Number two, Bangla will be recognized as one of the medium of education. And number three, look, political detainees will be unconditionally released. What is the name of the brutal mass killing in 25 March? The operation name was Operation Searchlight. You know when it was occurred, and and this was the formal journey to independence of Bengali. Because you know the people from all walks of life were united, responding to call for independence, and the activities declared by Bangabandhu on 7th March 1971. All the offices, educational institutions, judiciary department, factories and industries remained closed, signed. As the situation of East Pakistan was rapidly deteriorating, Yahya Khan came to Dhaka to talk to Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Bhutto was also came Dhaka. They were pretending as well as wasting time in the name of holding talks and meeting, but the secretly assembled soldiers, arms and ammunition to East Pakistan, East Bengal from West Pakistan. As a part of the preparation of war, Tikka Khan and Rao Farman Ali designed a blueprint named the Operation Searchlight on its important things and important topics on 17 March to make the Bengalis victim of mass killing. The brutal was killing in the history of world civilization began in the night of 25 March. Look, on which date were the four national leaders killed? November 3, 1975, our greatest four leader killed. Which amendment of Bangladesh Constitution were nullified by Supreme Court? 5th, 7th and 13th. The Constitution of Bangladesh. You know, the Constitution of Bangladesh made by a intellectual committee and this committee, the Constitution is the topmost document of a country. You know, it reflects the purpose, mission and vision of a state. As the head of the government, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman proclaimed a temporary constitution order on 11 January 1972. The parliamentary form of government was established under this order instead of the presidential form of Bangladesh. The key feature of this temporary constitution order were as follows. This order was temporary constitution order of Bangladesh. It would be enforced immediately. It would be applicable to the whole country. A Gana Parishad would be formed to draft a constitution for Bangladesh. And you know, headed by the Dr. Kamal Hossain. There would be a cabinet to run the administration. The prime minister would be its chief. The president would be the titular head. The president proclaimed Bangladesh Gana Parishad Order 23 March 1972 to prepare a constitution in which the aspiration and dream of the nation. You know, as per the order, the members elected in the National and Provincial Assembly in the general election of 1970 would be the members of the Gana Parishad. The main objectives of the Gana Parishad would be to prepare the constitution at the first session of the Gana Parishad 10th April 1972, a 34 members committee called a draft constitution formulating committee headed by Dr. Kamal Hossain. Only one female member included in the committee, Surunjit Sen Gupta, and then the leader of NAP, Muzaffar, was the member of the committee, and the female member Begum Razia Banu. The committee sought suggestions about the constitution from the organization and the interested person. The very important, the draft constitution was placed as a bill at the second session of the Gana Parishad on 12 October 1972, and it was adopted 4 November 1972 and enforced since 16 December in 1972. So you already heard my lecture on constitution. The answer will be the constitution of 1972 described Bangladesh as a unitary state. The answer. Next question, number 11. How many thousand of Pakistani army surrendered to the joint command? 93,000. Who wrote the poem Sritir Minar? Alauddin Alazad. The answer will be Alauddin Alazad. Look, read the following step and answer the question 13 and 14. Mr. Shafiq father is a freedom fighter. One day he said, Shafiq, we took part in the liberation war under the direction of an organization. Which organization took oath? 17th April 1971. Which organization has similarity with the stem? Mujibnagar government. The answer will be Mujibnagar government. Number 14. What was the main objective of mentioned organization? Look, to direct the liberation war. Look, number 15. The year 1990 is significant in the history of Bangladesh because the answer will be the fall of the government of H.M. Ershad. The answer 1, 2 and 3. 2, the ending of military rule, and number 3, the reset of democracy. The answer will be D. 1, 2 and 3. At which degree of angle from the earth do the moon and sun remain on the 8th lunar day? The answer will be 90 degree. By which name is the core known basing on the elements of the internal structure of the earth? Knife. For which influence the planets are moving round the sun? The answer will be gravitational force. In the sky of which planet the sun rises twice in a year? The answer will be Venus. What is the name of the level of atmosphere that space craft follows? Tropopause. You know, the root name was Tropopause. The influence of ebb and flow. The answer will be the river pits become deeper, silts gathers at the river channel. The answer will be B. Which line passes through the middle of Bangladesh? The answer will be the Tropic of Cancer. What is the position of Bangladesh in the world considering its population? 9th. The hills of the tertiary age included. The answer will be 1 and 3. B. The hills of the southeastern region and the hills of the northeastern region. Pyle visited a geographical boundary in northwest region of Bangladesh. It comprises of about 8% of the total volume of land of Bangladesh. Where did Payal visit? Uh, Look here. A number Dinajpur, B number Kumilla, C number Silet, and D number Gazipur. It will be Dinajpur. The characteristics of this land formed, the answer will be tropical deciduous forest and the plains of the Palestine is 25,000 years ago. Now the answer will be number B. Look, 27. Question number 27. In which district does the highest mountain peak of Bangladesh stand? The answer will be Bandarban. Which is one of the largest deltas of the world? The answer will be Bangladesh. The Tista barrage plays important role in. The answer will be D. Because agriculture, Tista barrage plays important role in agriculture, discharging water and protecting flood. Look, question number 30. The important contribution of river is. The answer will be D, in the livelihood, in transportation, in agriculture production. Who is the father of political science? The answer will be A, Aristotle. How many elements of the state? You know, 4 elements. 4 elements, mainly 4 elements form a state. Who is the writer of the book The Modern State? The answer will be MacIver. Number B. Look, which is the main source of law in the modern age? Parliament. 35. Look, political scientist Holland mentioned how many sources of law? The answer will be B. 6. The fixed territory means the place limit of state, the ocean limit of state, the sky limits. The answer will be D. The duties and responsibilities of a citizen. The answer will be D. To be loyal to state, abiding by the existing law, enfranchisement with honesty and acumen. 38. In which article of Bangladesh Constitution mentioned about the establishment of the national parliament? The answer will be D. 65. Look, on which year was the Upazila system introduced? The answer will be A. 1983. Which organ of the government works as guardian? The judiciary. The answer will be C. Who can suspend the punishment passed by court? President. A. The maintaining the law or order in rural areas. The Chowkidar Panchayat Ain was introduced in which year? 1870. The local government is necessary to express the leadership, improve the local development, ensure democracy. The answer will be D. By how many days does the president give approval to an act introduced by the parliament? The answer will be B. 15. Democracy was first established in where? Greece. The answer will be A. How is the question number 46? How is the government system in Bangladesh democracy? The answer will be B. Democracy is introduced in how many forms? The answer will be B. 2. When was the first general election of Bangladesh held? The answer will be C. 1973. Question number 49. The bridge between government and people is created by, the answer will be C, political party. What is the basic aspect of democracy? Answer will be C, election. The aim of the political parties are, the answer will be A. Over which session of General Assembly of United Nations did Bangladesh preside? Number B, 41. From which year the Bengali language used in modus operandi of United Nations? The answer will be A, 1984. On which date is the International Women Torture Resistance Day observed? The answer will be C, November 25. Question number 55. How many Sustainable Development Goals UNDP working on? The answer will be D, 17. Read the passage below and write the answer of the question number 56 and 57. Mr. Kaur has founded a peace organization in his area to build up respect everybody's freedom and fundamental rights on the basis of caste, religion and color. What is the similarity of the organization to institution in the following passage? The answer will be A, UN. Next question. Look. The purpose of the mentioning organization. The answer will be B, 58. In how many countries are the soldiers of Bangladesh working to ensure peace under United Nations? The answer will be C, 11. When was the first World Women Conference held? The answer will be B, 1975. What is called the ability of fulfilling the need of any commodity? The answer will be A, utility. How many types of economic systems are mainly effective in the present world? The answer will be D, 4. The essential elements of production are, the answer will be D, labor, capital and organization. In mixed economic system, answer will be D, occurs proper distribution of resource, income discrimination is seen, labor exploitation prevails. 64. What kind of resource is technology? The answer will be B, international. Which one is the asset according to economic sense? The answer will be A, agricultural land. 66. Into how many sectors can the economy of Bangladesh be divided? A, 15. What is the single biggest sector in the national production in the underdeveloped country? The answer will be C, agriculture. The per capita income of the people of the developed countries. Answer will be A, very high. Which one of the following is social infrastructure? The answer will be C. According to Population Census Report 2011, what is the percentage of illiterate person in Bangladesh? Number C, 43. To understand a country economic situation, we need to know. The answer will be D. The characteristics of Bangladesh economy are. B. What type of tax is imposed on the produced tobacco in Bangladesh? The answer will be A, excise duty. What is indirect tax? The answer will be B, sales tax. Which one of the following is a source of tax revenue income of the government of Bangladesh? The answer will be A, customs. 76. In how many sectors the sources of the income of the government of Bangladesh can be divided? The answer will be A, 2. An important sector of expenditure of Bangladesh government is, the answer will be B, education. 78, the answer will be B. 79, the answer will be B. 80, how many types of families are there depending on the number of husband and wife? Now the answer will be B, 3. Mr. Kalam lives with his wife, children, parents and grandparents. The type of family, the answer will be B, joint family. 82, which one is the most important medium for children's socialization? The answer will be B. In 83, the dear and near persons to a children's are, the answer will be B, mother and father. Which type of family is not found in Bangladesh? Polyandrous. The answer will be C. So student, I close my solution. Next class I will give you the rest of the question solution. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.